Hola chicos! Welcome to my video about Fuerteventura. A month ago we spent 10 epic days in this windy Canary Island and enjoyed it a lot. Now it's time to remember the best moments and give you guys some tips. Let's go! Popcorn Beach. That was the first place we went for, and yes, you can shoot some cool pictures over there. But be in a hurry, cause popcorn collectors are working hard. Number 2, Corralejo Dunes. That was one of my favorite locations. Perfect for a photo shoot, romantic picnic, or a sunset walk. Not far away is Snorkeling Safari near Lobos Island. We called Get Wet Team for a boat ride and had a super beach time in blue waters. 30 euros per person and your best friend with fish. Quick tip, for a better view, try to go there on a sunny day. Are you tired of the wild adventures? Tranquilo, hermano. Go to Salinas de Carmen. You will be safe there. 6 euros for entrance and nothing but salt all around.
Something in the way that you looked upon me is telling me I should go.
Number 5 on our list is Playa Sotavento and its epic lagoon. There you can try water sports and enjoy endless sandy beach. Best time to go is a high tide. Vamos! Next up is Oasis Park, where you can have a lovely afternoon in Animals Kingdom. From now on, giraffes are my favorite animals. For all the boys and girls who love hiking, we recommend Calderon Hondo volcano. And here comes the last and best of all, Fuerte's hidden gem, Cofete Beach. It's an hour drive from Morojable. You can easily do it with a regular car. The only tip, don't drive in dark, because there are some rough parts of the road. Make a stop in Mirador on the top of the mountain for the best view and hike nearest path to top to reach the clouds. When arrived to place, walk through the beach till the huge rock El Islote for unique perspective over Cofete. While enjoying this epic beach, remember that swimming is not recommended because of strong waves and currents. We saw proof of that, people were drowning at the moment we were on the beach. Luckily they survived. Stay safe. Our list ends here. If you're wondering where to stay in the island, Corralejo is a very nice town. Thanks for watching and enjoy your trip.